How to transfer money from Trust Wallet into Exness. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to still do the process when transferring your funds or money from Trust Wallet into Exness. Now everybody knows that this is not yet possible on transferring it immediately or directly, but what you want to have to do is to do the whole process via crypto. So of course, log in into your Exness account and make sure that you copy your wallet address into the deposit menu. And then next is to open up your Trust Wallet application by entering your passcode. And then from your dashboard, all you have to do is to choose on send. Now from send, you just have to choose on the appropriate BTC or the specific crypto that you would like to use it for the meantime. And then under on the next field, you should see address or domain and the destination network. This is where you'll have to paste your wallet address from Exness, and below that is to input the specific amount on how much you would like it to be transferred. Now just simply hit on next and follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to do the whole process. And that is how you transfer money from Trust Wallet to Exness.